स्टूडेंट्स के अपस्किलिंग के लिए फ्री प्रोग्राम्स आते रहते हैं, येट स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दैट, एंड दैट टू फ्रॉम सम ऑफ द बिगेस्ट ब्रांड नेम्स। इस अपस्किलिंग सीरीज के फर्स्ट पार्ट में मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया था एक फ्री प्रोग्राम बाय मैकेंजी, एंड टुडे आई हैव फॉर यू अ फ्री कंप्लीटली ऑनलाइन 10-week program from Harvard University. But also remember, like the previous free program by McKinsey, the deadline was supposed to be 22nd April, but they had to close the applications way before that because they had reached their maximum capacity from India. So जिसने पहले अप्लाई कर दिया था ये वीडियो देख के definitely they got in. However, people who applied a bit later could not fill their applications. So इसलिए बोलता हूँ आप सब्सक्राइब कर लो चैनल को so that you get the notification as soon as the video is out and you can apply quickly. And obviously सब्सक्राइब करना आपके लिए तो फ्री है, but it does help me a lot. So do consider subscribing to the channel, and let's start with this video. So आज का प्रोग्राम है ऑन हार्वर्ड्स 2025 एस्पायर लीडर्स प्रोग्राम। सो 3 कोहॉर्ट में ये प्रोग्राम कंडक्ट किया जाता है, एंड यू विल बी पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन कोहॉर्ट 3 इफ यू अप्लाई नाउ। द डेडलाइन टू अप्लाई इज 30th April, but try to apply as soon as possible. So the cohort 3 of this program will run from 28th May 2025 to 29th July 2025. But remember, the deadline is still 30th April, and this is a completely online program जो आप घर से करोगे, and this program will be split into 2 modules. Module 1 will be on your professional and personal development. You will be given a lot of tips on how to build your resume, how to build your LinkedIn profile, tips on cracking interviews and everything as well. The next module, module 2, will be a 5-week module which will be focused on leadership. So here you will be understanding yourself as a leader and taught certain very critical skills like digital transformation, artificial intelligence, how to address community challenges and everything, more focused on the leadership skills of students. So अब चलते हैं application की तरफ, and सबसे पहले समझ लेते हैं the eligibility of applying in this program. So ये program specifically designed है for undergraduate students. So अगर आप एक अंडरग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट हो या फिर आपने बस रिसेंटली ग्रेजुएट किया है, दैट इज 1 or 2 years आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन इटसेल्फ, देन ऑल्सो यू माइट बी एलिजिबल टू अप्लाई. हाउएवर, इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी एनरोल्ड इन अ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम आफ्टर दैट, देन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट एलिजिबल. सो अंडरग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम है. इसके बाद यू शुड बी इन द एज ब्रैकेट ऑफ 18 to 29 years old. अगर आप 18 से कम हो या 29 से ज्यादा, देन यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम. एंड देयर इज दिस थर्ड क्राइटेरिया एज वेल, वेयर यू शुड बी अ फर्स्ट जनरेशन स्टूडेंट एंड फ्रॉम द low income group as well. What does that mean? First generation means that your parents should not have completed a bachelor's degree. And now this becomes again very subjective in different countries. It becomes very subjective, especially if your father or your mother is say coming from a very qualified course like CA, they are registered doctors or something, obviously then you're not eligible for that. But for all the other people, the criteria mentioned is that your parents should not have completed graduation degree. And another thing is you should be a low income university student. But now how you define this low income is not mentioned. It's mentioned that you should be considered low income in your country of residence. However, it's not mentioned that you need to have an EWS certificate or anything from the government. So what you define low income in India can be obviously very different from that in America. So obviously it's very subjective. The criteria for low income, what is the income threshold, is not mentioned. So this is something which can become subjective, but the ideal thing that they have mentioned on their website is you should be considered low income in your country of residence. So starting with the application form, so यहाँ पर आपको कुछ डिटेल्स भरने हैं. इट सेज दैट इट विल टेक यू 10 minutes, बट ऑनेस्टली द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म विल नॉट टेक यू 10 minutes. इट विल नॉट टेक यू मोर देन 5 minutes. सो फर्स्ट स्क्रीन अगर आप देखोगे, इट विल बी ऑन योर एलिजिबिलिटी. सो बेसिकली आपकी एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट की जाएगी. द क्राइटेरिया दैट आई हैव मेंशन्ड, यू नीड टू अप्लाई अकॉर्डिंगली. इफ यू आर नॉट बिटवीन द एज ऑफ 18 to 29, you will not be eligible. If someone in your family, or mainly your father and your mother, if they have completed the bachelor's degree, then you will not be eligible. If you are not coming from a low income background, then you will not be eligible. And obviously here you have to choose your current level of education as well. You should be in undergraduate, you should be in your undergraduation, or you should have completed your undergraduation very recently. So those 2 criteria will fit in here. And after that you have to choose the program. There is just one option. You have to choose the 2025 Aspire Leaders program, and that too for cohort 3. उसके बाद there are 3 more tabs, that is your personal information, your background information, and your additional information. And all of these are very simple, nothing to explain because it's just your personal details. You will fill your name, email ID, everything. In your background you will fill your social background and everything. And additional information, you would be checking some of the boxes like where did you hear about this program and everything. Very simple form, nothing much to do. It's only the eligibility criteria where you need to meet this eligibility criteria. Based on that, if you apply, most likely your application will be accepted. And I would recommend you not to fake your data to just get accepted in this program. Do not fill yourself as a first generation student if your father and mother are highly qualified. There will be a lot of free programs coming in future as well, and I will will share those opportunities with you. So do make sure you are subscribed to the channel so that you do not miss out on the other free programs that are coming in future. So that's it for this particular video. See you in the next one.